Today I'm not cooking. I just want to share my joy of buying a new stand mixer. I have been wanting to venture into baking for a long time, making breads, cakes, cookies, and the rest. Although my family has a low-range hand mixer, I have decided to purchase this KitchenAid Artisan 4.8 liter stand mixer after doing a lot of research. Let's unbox this together. They display all the attachments included here in the box. So exciting! Oh, this is the KitchenAid thank you card and some product info. On the back is the pamphlet of all the varieties of attachment available. It is very heavy and well packed. This is the wire whip for beating egg white and whipping cream. I don't think I can lift the whole thing out from the box. Let's take it down to the floor. It is easier to pull it out like this. Wow, it is super heavy. Here's the manual booklet. It comes in many languages. It is so hard to remove the main body from the styrofoam. Here is the flat beater behind the styrofoam. This is the dough hook. Oh dear, I have to use a lot of energy to lift this up. It is super heavy. Okay, finally, it is out of the box now. Let's put it back on the countertop. The machine is very heavy and very steady. It is all made from metal. The heavier it is, the better and steady, as it means it can handle dough mixing. It looks really beautiful and vintage-like. I really love it so much. See, the plug is for our socket box in Malaysia, and so there is no need to use a transformer. On this side is a locking lever to tilt and lock the motor head, so it is easy to attach and detach the hook. There are two bowls in here as well. I will get back to them. This is the flat edge beater and the pouring shield or splash guard. These are the two stainless steel bowls. This is 4.8 liter bowls. It is quite deep with the side handle. It's easy to clamp and lock. It is also easy to unlock and detach the bowl from the machine. This is a 3 liters bowl, which is slightly smaller than the other one. It has a similar feature as well. Let's try attaching the dough hook. Fit the key with the hole, push it up and turn it to the side. Then bring down the motor head. If needed, the pouring shield can be attached too, but I don't see that I will be using it. For all the hooks, the KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer comes with the flat edge beater. It used to mix the batter or dough, saving the time of stopping the machine to scrap the side. This is a beater. It used to make the batter of cakes and cookies. The dough hook, I know I will be using this most often for baking bread. And lastly, the wire whip for whipping cream, meringue, and egg white. This mixer comes with 10 speeds. It can be adjusted from 0 to 10 from this side of the mixer. This is for the attachment plug-ins such as food grinders, pasta maker. For this video, I will not plug in and show how the machine works, as the hook and the mixing bowl need to be thoroughly washed and cleaned, as it actually covered with fine black soot. Please stay tuned for a recipe using this machine, which will come out in the near future. I can't wait. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!